Well, hello, boys and girls, everybody who is watching us, who has joined us. A very warm welcome to everybody present here. How are you guys? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? कौन कौन है ज़रा मुझे फटाफट चैट बॉक्स में हाय लिख दो, हेलो लिख दो. Quickly everybody, just write down hi and hello in the chat box. Everybody who has joined this session and those who are going to join this session. Now meanwhile, please do one thing guys, it is my humble request, share this session with everybody, share this session with any of your friends, and do let them know that such a thing is happening in Ahmedabad, in the country. So I have brought you the revision for science and mathematics. This series is going to be entirely in English, and hope you guys will enjoy it and hope you guys will get the maximum benefit out of it. So hello and welcome once again, a very warm welcome to everybody present here. This is me, Netrapal Singh, and as you can see, every day I tell you guys that's like I'm Netrapal Singh and I'm from IIT Kanpur, and today we are going to look at the most difficult chapter that we find in mathematics at class 10th level, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Now I have seen this with many students that even after completing it or revising it after so many times, we really find it difficult to revise and memorize all those formulas and all those identities and simply to apply those identities in questions. Well, anyways, today is just my it's my initiative, and let's see how much you guys can understand. Just give me a couple of minutes, so we will start in just 1 or 2 minutes. Just give me a couple of minutes, boys. Meanwhile, please keep your pen and paper handy. Be ready, because today is going to be mathematics and we are going to do a lot of calculations. Please keep your pen and paper handy. Waiting for you guys. Just let me know once you're ready. Please keep your pen and paper handy, or your notebook or your revision, anywhere that you're going to do it. Quickly, and let me know in the chat box that you guys are ready now. So I can see there are 5 to 6 students who have joined us at present. Let's see how many stay till the end. Those who will stay till the end will obviously benefit from this session. That is a guarantee that I can give you. It's my guarantee that you guys will for sure love this session, and you guys will be staying with me throughout this session. Okay, alright, so now we are ready. So we will start with chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. This is a very important chapter in your curriculum. It carries a lot of weightage, and usually people find it very difficult. But now, starting with this chapter, the first thing that we need to ask ourselves is, where is this chapter applicable? I mean, where we are going to use this chapter, where we are going to use this concept of trigonometry. Now I'll just write a couple of applications of trigonometry chapter. Like if you want to find out the height of an aeroplane flying right above your head, if you want to find out the height of an aeroplane which is flying right above your head, then you can apply the concept of trigonometry. If you want to find out how far any object is, then also you can apply the concepts of trigonometry. Now trigonometry is actually composed of two words, trigon, which means there is a study is called trigonometry. Now third application that I would say is it will come in your applications of trigonometry chapter, which will be to find out the length of a wire which is required to cover one building and the other building. So the length of the wire can also be calculated with the help of trigonometry. Also you can calculate how long you will need a ladder to climb a particular building, and all these kind of questions. In fact, if you want to find out the position of stars and cosmology, stars and planets and everything, planetary bodies, then also you are going to apply the concept of trigonometry. Apart from this boys and girls, this chapter is actually in your class 11th, also in your class 12th. So that is the importance of this chapter. I'm sure you guys are now well versed with the importance of this chapter, and in this chapter we are going to restrict ourselves to right angled triangles. So a right angle triangle is any triangle that has its one side equal to 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then this triangle A B C will be a right angle triangle or simply a right triangle. So we are going to restrict our studies to right triangles. So just let me know in the chat box that so far if you guys are comfortable with this, so that we can move ahead. Quickly let me know in the chat box, boys. Quickly let me know in the chat box that you are comfortable with this topic now, so that we can move ahead quickly. Meanwhile, let me have my water. Yes, all right, let's move ahead. So now the first topic that we are going to study in this chapter is trigonometric ratios. Now for that, all you need to do is you need to first of all draw a right angle triangle like I have drawn here. Now consider any of the angle that you want to choose as your major or base angle. So let's say if you're talking about angle A, then you will say that this is your angle A, which is angle CAB. So angle CAB, we are talking about angle CAB. Any side that is opposite to angle this one, angle A, that side will be called the perpendicular side. That side will be called a perpendicular side, and side which is just adjacent to this particular angle will be called an adjacent side, or you can say it is the base. And finally the biggest side will be called hypotenuse. So this was in case of the angle A. If let's say somebody says, alright, I don't want to take angle A as my major angle, I want to take C as my major angle, then in that case the angle the side which is opposite to angle C is called the perpendicular side. So this will become the perpendicular now. This won't be your base. So this will become the perpendicular. Now this will become your base, and obviously this will still remain the hypotenuse. So that's how you are going to remember it. That is how you are going to remember it. Now let's take the example of this triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, you can define certain ratios, and they are called trigonometric ratios. I'll tell you how to write them. So let's say you're talking about sine of any angle. Let's take the angle A as the angle of focus here. So if you're talking about angle A, this side BC will be your perpendicular side, and AB will be your base. So now the sine of angle A is defined as the perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. That means it will be BC upon AC, right? So BC is the perpendicular side and AC is the hypotenuse. Along with me, just keep writing it down in your notebook. Sine A is equal to this. Similarly, if you say cos A, now the full form of sine is actually sine, SINE. Full form of cos is actually COSINE, cosine. Anyways, we are going to use the short form. So cos of angle A is base divided by hypotenuse. That means it is equal to, in this figure, it is equal to AB upon AC. Very nice. So sine is there, cos is there. Now we are going to define tan A, and tan A is simply defined as sine A divided by cos A, or you can say it is the perpendicular divided by the base, which in this case will be PC upon AB. Please let me know in the chat box if you guys are following it. If you guys are following it, please let me know, guys. So tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A, that is equal to P by B, which is equal to BC upon AB. This is called tan A. Now coming to other trigonometric ratios, which is cosec A. So cosec A is also defined as 1 upon sin A, that means reciprocal of sin A. So this will turn out to be H upon P. Simple. That is nothing but hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which in this example will be AC upon BC. Similarly, we have secant of A. So this cosec that I have written here is, its full form is cosecant A. Cosecant. Similarly, sec stands for secant. Secant. So sec A will be the reciprocal of cos A, and this will be equal to hypotenuse divided by base, and in this case it will be equal to AC divided by AB. Very simple. If you talk about cot A, then cot A will be the reciprocal of tan A, and this will be nothing but base upon perpendicular, in which in this case it is going to be AB upon BC. So quickly write it down in your notebook and let me know if you have written it. Quickly write it down in your notebook, guys. Quickly. Very nice. Very good. Very good. This is a very, very important chapter, guys. Later on I'll show you a trick to how you remember these ratios. Quickly. So we have students who have joined us from Kuwait also. All right, Vivan, very good. Very good. So I hope you guys have noted it down. In fact, you can find this trigonometric ratio in your book itself, in your NCERT book itself. I'll show you how to remember these ratios. So all you have to do is, you have to simply write, the moment you get your question paper in your exam, just simply write this. Yeah, hold on. P, B, P, H, H, B. Now those students who have studied from me and those who know this can simply relate it with this particular mnemonics. Anyways, before that, let me write it down here. So P stands for, let's say, Pandit. B stands for Badri, and again this P stands for Prasad. So Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har Bole, or you can say Bhole. So Har Bhole. Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har Bole. If you take this ratio here, this will be sine ratio, and remember, in the sine ratio what we did was, we divided P by H, right? So if you're writing sine above here, then your ratio should start from P and then it should end on H, which means P should be your numerator and H should be your denominator. After sine we wrote cos. Now cos is very simple. As you can see, it is nothing but base divided by hypotenuse. And then comes the tan. Tan is perpendicular divided by base, as you can see from this particular thing. Then came your cosec, and cosec is H divided by B. Then comes your sec, which is H divided by B, and finally you have cot, which is B divided by P. So those guys who know it, very nice. If you don't know it, please take a screenshot so that we can move ahead. Quickly take a screenshot and we are moving ahead. I have one more mnemonic related to this. So if people don't remember Pandit Badri Prasad, they will surely remember this, those who are Indians. So PBP HHB, this stands for Pakistan, Bhuka and Pyasa, hungry and thirsty. Hindustan, which means India, Hindustan, Hara Bhara, all greenery, water, prosperity. Yes, Pakistan, Bhuka Pyasa, Hindustan, Hara Bhara, Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Bola. Very good guys, wonderful. So this is how you're going to remember this. All right, now next, moving on to exercise 8.1 straight away, guys. Let's dive into the questions without wasting time. So let's say question number 1. Let's solve this question. So in triangle ABC, which is given on the right hand side, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24. Alright, are we given this triangle? No, this is triangle PQR. So we have to draw a triangle ABC. Alright, so let's draw a triangle first of all. Triangle ABC, and it is right angled at B. So this is A, this is, let's say, this B, and this is, let's say, C. The question is telling us AB value is equal to 24. So this value is equal to 24. BC value is equal to 7 centimeter, and we have to determine what is sine of A and what is cos of A, and what is sine of C and what is cos of C. So let me do one thing. Let me try to find out sine C and cos C, and later on you guys can find out the other ratios as well. So now first of all we need to find out what is AC. So to find out AC, all you have to do is apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, your hypotenuse square should be equal to perpendicular square plus base square in this scenario. So that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Please remember to use this formula all the time, every time. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means 7 square plus 24 square. And once you do this, 7 square is I think 49, and I don't know what is 24 square. 24 square, if you guys know it, please write in the chat box what is 24 square, or else I'll have to use my calculator. 24 square, that is I think 576. So 576, and if you add 49 to it, you get 625, and under root of 625. What is under root of 625? Under root of 625, guys, quickly. Under root of 625, isn't it 25? Yes, very good. So the value of AC is equal to 25. Now you can simply find out the ratios sine C and cos C. Very nice, 25. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. So sine of C is equal to, remember, sine C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For the angle C, the perpendicular is this 24, and hypotenuse, as we have calculated it is 25. So your ratio will be 24 divided by 25. This is your answer. For cos C, all you have to do is base upon hypotenuse, and that will be equal to how much? 7 by 25. This is your answer. This is your answer. So just have a healthy competition with me, and let's see who solves these questions faster. Moving on to next question. In figure 8.13, as you can see here, you have to find out what is tan P and what is cot R. That you can simply do, guys. It's very easy. Tan P minus cot R. First of all, find tan P, find cot R, and then subtract both the values. So in this case, tan P will be equal to QR divided by PQ. So tan of P is equal to QR divided by PQ, because QR is the perpendicular and PQ is the base. This is equal to P by B. Now before that, you have to find out what is QR, and since this value is 12, this value is 13, I think this value should be 5. I don't know, verify this value, everybody. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. If you subtract this, you get 25. Obviously under root of 25 is 5, so this value will be equal to 5 centimeter. In that case, tan P will be equal to 5 upon 12, and your cot R, that is this angle R. So cot R is equal to base upon perpendicular, again 5 by 12, and therefore this value is equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the answer. I'm sure everybody is doing it with me. Everybody, please try these questions with me. Next question is question number 3. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, you have to calculate cos A and tan A. Now to do or to try these type of questions, there are 2-3 methods. I'll show you one method. So let's say if sine of A is equal to 3 by 4, can we do one thing? Can we multiply the above numerator with k and the denominator also with k? Will the ratio change? Answer is no, right? So if you take 3k, so this will be 3k divided by 4k, so the ratio will still remain 3 by 4. So what we are going to do is, we don't know what is k, and we don't even want to find out what is k, but we will simply use this factor to be factually correct, to be technically correct. So let's say we have a triangle. In that triangle, sine A is given as 3k divided by 4k. So let's make a very beautiful triangle. Let's say this is A, B and C. Let's say this is angle A, and sine A is defined as perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which means this will be 3k and this can be considered as 4k. This is 3k and this can be considered as 4k. Now in that case, AB can be found out to be 4k square minus 3k square under root, and that is equal to 16k square minus 9k square under root, right? This will be equal to under root of 7k. This will be equal to under root of 7k. So this value is under root of 7k, and now you can simply say, alright, cos A, it's very easy. Cos A is nothing but under root of 7k divided by 4k. This is equal to under root of 7 by 4, and this is our answer. That is how you are going to solve these kind of questions, guys. So you should know. No, Vivan. Please check your answer. Alright, you're saying okay. You're saying tan A. Very nice, wonderful, Vivan. Congratulations, dear. Very nice. So if you write down tan A, that will be equal to obviously under root 3 by 7. Sorry, under root 3 by 7. Wonderful. Very nice. Beautiful answer. Beautiful. I want everybody to answer these questions. These are very, very easy questions. Now in question number 4, please don't get confused when you see these kind of questions. All you have to do is take the trigonometric ratios on one side and move all the numbers to the right hand side. So in this case, cot A can be written as 8 divided by 15. Once you have cot A is equal to 8 by 15, you can say, alright, let my cot A will be equal to 8k divided by 15k. Apply Pythagoras theorem and then get the values of sin A and sec A. I'm sure you guys will be able to do it. And if you are not able to do it, reach out to me on 900594233. 42333. If you guys are not able to do these kind of questions, reach out to me free of cost. I'll be glad to help you out. Similarly, if you are given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, all you have to do is write down sec theta is equal to 13k divided by 12k. Draw a certain triangle. Let's say this is the triangle ABC. This is your angle theta. Find out secant theta. Secant theta should be, what should be secant theta? That is 1 upon cos theta. That means h divided by b. So your sec theta in this case will be AC upon AB. Very nice. So that is how you're going to find out the side BC as well, and then calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Very nice, very nice. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Now question number 6 tells us it is a very easy question. In fact, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now even I don't need to prove this. Cos A is equal to cos B, then obviously your angle A should be equal to angle B, or you can prove it vice versa, that if angle A is equal to angle B, then cos A should be equal to cos B. So just use any of the just use any of the triangle ABC in this case. Find the value of cos A in terms of ratio, find the value of cos B, and then see your angle will be equal to each other. Alright, question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, you have to find out the values which are written here. So if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, can we say tan theta is equal to 8 by 7? Right? If we try to make a triangle, then in this case it will be 8 by 7 here, and this will be under root of 64 plus 49, which is 9, and 4 is 13, 6 and 1 7, 7 113, right? So this will be under root of 113, So find out sin theta and substitute it here and get the values. So do one thing, 1 plus sin theta. What is sin theta in this triangle? Sin theta is nothing but 8 divided by under root of 113. It's very, very easy, guys. Please don't get panicked. Alright. So sin theta is equal to 8 by under root 113. I hope I'm not making a mistake here. Right, if this angle is theta, this is obviously 8 by 7, this is tan theta, so under root of 113, which means 64 plus 49, right? This is 9 and 4 is 13, 13 and 6 and 7, 7 and 4 is 11. Wonderful, it's correct, very nice. So add, substitute the values here in this first question, which is 1 plus, instead of using sine theta, write down 8 upon under root 113, multiply it by 1 minus, what is sine theta? It is nothing but 8 by under root of 113, and this is divided by, and substitute all these values. Now this is one method. Other method is you can use this property as well. So if you are given 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, is it not obvious that it is the formula which is asking you to be like a plus b into a minus b is given as a square minus b square. So in this case, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta, and this is equal to, what is 1 minus sine square theta? You guys don't know as of now, because I have not told you the identities. Now later on I'll tell you the identity. 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sine square theta. Cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta, so you are given with cot square theta. So that will be equal to 7 by 8 ka whole square, and this will be nothing but 49 by 64. Krish did it much before I did it. Very nice, Krish, congratulations. Very good Krish, wonderful. So like that you can solve this question also. 3 cot a is equal to 4, right? If you are given 3 cot a is equal to 4, what you have to do is cot a is equal to 4 by 3. Once you know cot a, find out tan a, substitute it here, check whether these values are equal or not, right? Simple, it's very simple. Similarly, in right triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan a is equal to this, find the value of sin a cos c, vagera, and substitute these values and get the answer. So this becomes very easy now. How many guys are comfortable with this exercise 8.1? How many guys find 8.1 as a very silly exercise and an easy one? How many of us? Let me know in the chat box. Write down I find it easy, and I find it easy. We'll move on to the next exercise then, and next concept. Hello. Yes. All right, very nice. Fine then. So let's move to the next concept, next question. All right. Okay. Question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at QPR. All right. So let me do this question. This is a very good question. Let me do this question. True or false? I am leaving it to you guys. So let's say there is a triangle P, Q, and R, right angled at Q. Right. So this is P, Q, and this is R. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. So can we say PR plus QR, this is equal to 25 centimeter, and it is given. So what is given? PR plus QR is equal to 25. What is PQ? PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. If we look at the diagram here, what we are given is the addition of PR, which means hypotenuse, and QR, this value is given as 25 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Can we apply Pythagoras theorem here? So once you apply Pythagoras theorem here, what you can do is PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, right? PR square can be written as PQ square plus QR square, right? That means PQ square is already given to us, which is equal to 5. So 5 square is nothing but 25 plus QR square and PR square. If you take QR square on this side, you get PR square minus QR square is equal to nothing but 25, right? So we can say PR plus QR into PR minus QR, this is equal to 25. Already we are given PR plus QR is equal to 25. So PR plus QR, this is equal to 25. Substituting the value here, 25 into PR minus QR is equal to 25. Therefore, PR minus QR is equal to 1. PR minus QR is equal to 1. Now you have equation number 1. You have equation number 2. So solve these two equations and you will get your answer. You will get your answer. Right? You will simply get what is sin P, what is cos P, what is tan P, and etc. etc. Alright, make sense? So you have got the value of PQ, this is equal to 5 centimeter. If you solve equation number 1 and equation number 2, what you will get is 2R is equal to 26. That means R is equal to 13. R is equal to 13. So if R, alright, sorry, not R, this is PR, right? So PR is equal to 13. PR, where is PR? This is 13. So if this is 13, obviously this has to be 12, and you have all the sides. You can simply find out what is sin P, cos P, and tan P. Sin P, cos P, and tan P. Very nice, guys. Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. Very good, Vivan. बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, very good. Vyom, Sony, very nice. Krish, wonderful, perfect. I hope you guys are not copy pasting the answers. Just kidding. You guys are awesome. Alright, next moving on to next question. Very nice. Shabash. Cool, huh? I've never seen such response in mathematics. Alright guys, my throat is now thirsty. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So we have seen what a trigonometric ratio is, sine, cos, tan, and all these values, all these particular ratios. Now for certain angles, the value of ratio is fixed. Say for example, if the angle is 0 degree, for that sine of 0 degree is 0. Sine of 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, and so and so. So now this particular table is given to you in your book also. What I want you guys is to please remember at least the values of sine, cos, and tan for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Immediately, you know, once you get sine A, just do this thing. Sine, write down sine A, write down 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. I'm trying to make this table as easy as possible. So you have to remember the values, zeros and ones first of all. So sine of 0 is 0. Also cos A, if you're talking about cos, now cos of 90 is 0. So cos 90 is 0, sine 0 is also 0. Let's say sine 90, if this is 1, also cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Also, if let's say cos 60 is 1 by 2, sine 30 is also 1 by 2. If say sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, then cos 60 is also under root 3 by 2. If sine 45 is 1 by root 2, then cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Same answer, right? So 0 is here, 0 is here. For cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, and likewise you have to remember these values. This is very important. You have to remember these values. This is very important. So take your time, memorize these values, and later on we will be solving these questions now. So this is from exercise number 8.2. We have to evaluate the values which are given here. So let's try to solve the first question here. Quickly try with me, guys. First question is sine 60 cos 30. So sine 60, I think it was under root 3 by 2, multiplied by what is cos 30. Cos 30 is also under root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is 1 by 2, and also cos 60 is 1 by 2. You get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and this answer is equal to 1. Yay! Quickly, let's see who solves this answer. Who solves this question first? Let's see. Don't worry, if we are not able to reach to exercise 8.4, we will for sure continue it in the next class, in the next session tomorrow. Do not worry. So Krish is the first person to answer. This is equal to 1. Alright, let me try this particular question. This seems to be a tough one. So for fifth, you need to remember what is cos 60, what is sec 30, and what is tan 45, sin 30, and all these values. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the answer will be 5 into 1 by 2 whole square. right? Cos 60 square, so cos square 60 is 1 by 2 ka whole square, plus 4 into sec 30. Secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30, and cos 30 was nothing but under root 3 by 2. So if cos 30 was under root 3 by 2, the reciprocal will be equal to 2 divided by under root 3, and that too you have to take a square. Minus tan 45 is 1, so you will write 1 here, divided by sin square 30. So sin square 30 value should be, sin 30 is 1 by 2, so you will say 1 by 2 ka square, plus what is cos 30? Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, its square is here. So solve these values and get your answer. So 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, this is 1, and all you are left with is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Whatever be the answer, write down in the chat box, guys. Write down in the chat box quickly. Write down in the chat box. Whatever be the answer, write down in the chat box. Quickly, guys. Yay. Write down in the chat box, boys, quickly. You want to try another question from this exercise 8.2? Want to try another question? Then try question number 4. Try question number 4 right away, quickly. I'm waiting for your answer. Try question number 4 quickly. Sin 30 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is reciprocal of sin 60, which is equal to 2 by root 3 whole divided by sec 30 is cos 30, reciprocal cos 30 was this, so this is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus 1. Solve these values and get your answer. Whatever is your answer, just let me know in the chat box. I am not going to write it now. Write your answer in the chat box, boys, quickly. Try this question and write your answer in the chat box. Let's see how many people are as fast as Flash. You know who's Flash, by the way? Do you know who's Flash? Who is Flash? The superhero who runs very fast. Right? Alright. Yeah. So moving on to the next question. This question was very easy. Question number 2 tells us choose the correct option and justify your choice. So question number 1, it says 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. This is nothing but tan 60. This is a formula actually that I have used. So this is equal to tan 60, and tan 60 is equal to nothing but under root of 3. So the answer should be equal to, okay, tan 60. This is, oh my god, I'll have to show it. Alright, okay. So 2 into tan 30 is, guys, it is 1 by root 3 divided by, I'm substituting the values here. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. This is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. This is equal to nothing but under root 3 by 2. So under root 3 by 2 for a certain angle is actually, my god, have I done some mistake? Boys, did I commit any mistake? Did I commit any mistake? No, right? So I think this answer is incorrect. I believe under root 3 by 2 we get when it is sin 30. So answer D, option D is correct. Answer C is incorrect. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Yes, very nice. So likewise, please try to find out the answer to these questions. Alright, 1 minus tan 45, this should be 0 straight away, because 1 minus tan 45 is 1 minus 1 divided by whatever be the value 1 plus 1. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0, so your answer is 0. So try to do these questions. Try to do these questions. Do not fight with yourself, amongst yourself in the chat box. I would request everybody else to please try the question. If you guys are watching this recorded session, if you guys are watching this in recorded mode, then pause the video and try for yourself. Try to answer all these 4 questions. We are going to move ahead with the next question now. Question number 3 says, if tan a plus b is equal to under root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, find a and b. Let's do this question, guys. What we are given with is tan of a plus b is equal to under root 3. Now everybody knows for which angle the value is under root 3. So it is for 60 degree, right? So tan 60 is equal to nothing but under root 3. Therefore, what we can infer from these two equations is that a plus b is equal to nothing but 60 degree. Similarly, a minus b is given as tan a minus b, tan a minus b is given to us as 1 by root 3. We all know what is tan 30. This is 1 by root 3. So that means, can we say a minus b is equal to, let's say, 30 degree, right? So you have a plus b is equal to 60 degree, you have a minus b is equal to 30 degree. If you try to find out what is the value of a, you will get 2a is equal to 90 and therefore a is equal to 45. Once you find out a, b should be equal to 45 because you are left with no choice. So if a is 45, b is also 45. Wait, let me see. A is or a plus b is equal to 60, right? So I'm sorry, this is 15. Oh my goodness, what is happening to me? Yo pa. Eraser. Yes. B is equal to 15. Very nice. A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 15. Very good. You guys are fighting in the chat box, huh? Cool. All right. Try true and false for yourself, and if possible, write your answers in the chat box. Now coming to the next topic, which is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now what are complementary angles? Complementary angles are those angles, if you add those two angles, you get 90 degree as the sum. So if, let's say, there is this angle A, if you add with angle B, and if it turns out to be 90 degree, then A and B are called complementary angles. A and B are called complementary angles. So let's say if somebody says A is 45 degree, what is B? B should also be equal to 45 degree to get the value of 90 degree. If, let's say, A is equal to 30 degree, what should be B? B should be equal to 60 degree. If somebody says, okay, alright, A is equal to 15 degree, what should be B? B shouldn't be equal to 75 degree, right? Should it not be equal to 75 degree? Yes or no? If A is 15, B should be equal to 75 degree. Yes? Right? Alright, let's say somebody says A is equal to 60 degree. What should be B? What should be B? Quickly let me know in the chat box. What should be the value of B? What should be the value of B? Meanwhile, you guys are writing the answer. Just have a look at these properties. So sine of 90 minus that angle is actually cos of that angle. Tan 90 minus A is nothing but cot A. I remember it in terms of theta, so I say tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and so and so and so and so. You have to remember these formulas. Yes, you have to remember these formulas. Very good, very good. 30, 30, 30. Shabash. Good, good. So 8.3 exercise, this is omitted from your syllabus. Let me know if it is omitted from everybody's syllabus. Quickly, guys. Let me know if it is deleted from everybody's syllabus. Those who are watching us live, please let me know so that we don't have to solve 8.3 anymore. We will straight away jump to 8.4. Alright, so 8.3 is actually omitted. Alright, then it is very easy. Coming to the next topic now, trigonometric identities. So if somebody wants me to solve 8.3 exercise as well, those guys who are watching the recorded session can simply call me on 900594233. Give me a missed call or give me a WhatsApp call. Say hi, say hello, and send in your request to 900594233. I'll have a separate session for exercise number 8.3. Now, before moving on to exercise 8.4, you have to by heart learn these identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. most of the time you will be given cos square theta, this is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, or sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. These two iterations of the property should be known to all of us. Similarly, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We can write this as sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Also, cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. You have to remember these identities, boys. There is no option. There is no option. There is no option. Alright. So, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And you already know what is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. Make yourself well versed with these identities and we will try to solve exercise number 8.4. 8.4. Alright, so let's say if question comes in exam, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. Please remember this, you have to convert sin A in terms of cot A. Sin in terms of cot A. So, sin A can be written as under root of 1 minus cos square A. Right? Yes or no? Sin A can be written as under root of 1 minus cos square A, right? And cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A. Cos A divided by sin A. Make sense? So all you have to do is now you have to manipulate this cos A and you have to somehow make it equal to cot A. So convert this cos A in terms of cot A and you will be good to go. So you will get sin A in terms of cot A. It's very easy. Similarly, if somebody says you have to write let's say sin A in terms of secant A, you can write the reciprocal of cos A is sec A and then you can write your answer as, so sin A is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 upon sec square A, and this is your answer. So 1 minus 1 upon sec square A can be written as sin A. So this is how you have to solve and show. Exercise 8.4 is equal to exercise 8.1 plus 8.2 plus, yeah, obviously of of course the mark. Very nice. All right. Okay, so yeah, wait, so you want me to solve this? You want me to write sin A in terms of cot A? Let's do it then. Let's do it, guys. All right, let me just erase this slide first of all and we will do the first question from the beginning itself. So let's try to do this thing. So sin A, we are given with sin A. We have to convert it into somehow in terms of cot A. Let's do this. So sin A, can I write this sin A as under root of sin square A, right? Sin A can be written as under root of sin square A, but sin square A can be written as 1 upon cosec square A. Yes or no? Cosec square A, right? So sin square A can be written as 1 upon cosec square A since sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. And this can be written as, guys, 1 upon what is cosec square A? Cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A, and this is your answer. Yay! So you have converted sin in terms of completely into cot A. All right. So please do this first question in your main time, in your free time. Do this first question. We are going to move with the other part now, or else we will be left behind. Write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. This question is also related to question number 1. You can easily do it. Moving on to this question. This is a very beautiful question. Part number 1. You are given sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. It's a very, very, very easy question. Sine square 63 plus cos sine square 63 plus sine square 27. You have to convert this particular value in terms of cos square a. It's very, very easy, guys. Don't have to panic. Let's do this question now. So sine square 63, leave it as it is, plus can we write down from this particular slide, that sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. We will use and we will invoke this property. So sine of 27 can be written as cos of 90 minus 27, right? Cos of 90 minus 27 whole square, divided by, leave cos square 17 as it is, and you can write cos square 73 as sine square 90 minus 73. If you do this, you will be left with sine square 63 plus cos square 63, 90 minus 27 is 63, divided by cos square 17 plus sine square 17, and this is equal to, invoke the first property, boys. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, that was 1, divided by cos square theta plus sine square theta, again it is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. The answer is 1. So this is equal to 1. Very easy, right? Yes or no? Do one thing, try question number 2. Question number 3 second part. Try question number 3 second part. Let me know who all are getting the value as 1 here. Who all are getting the values 1 here? Quickly, within seconds. Your answer should come within seconds, guys. Let me know those who are getting the answer as 1. Quickly, guys. I think we might have to complete exercise 8.4 in the next session, because we are already lagging behind, right? 1. Vyom got answer 1. Krish also got 1. Very nice. Beautiful, boys. Beautiful. That's it. Beautiful. All right, moving on to the next question now. Quickly, let's move on to the next question. All right, this question is very, very easy, guys. You can already solve it. I mean, this is a very easy question. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Simply take 9 as common. You will be left with sec square a minus tan square a. This is equal to 9 into sec square a minus tan square is nothing but 1. So I have written here 1. This is equal to 9. So the answer is option number B, 9. Similarly, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, convert all these values in terms of sine theta and cos theta and get the answer. This is very, very easy. There is nothing to panic about. Nothing to panic. Cool. Similarly, use sine theta and cos theta here also. So if you try, let's say question number 3, question number 4, third part, sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sine a. This can be written as 1 upon cos a plus tan a can be written as sine a divided by cos a into 1 minus sine a. This is equal to, see, cos a, we can write cos a here, and this will be equal to 1 plus sine a into 1 minus sine a. Invoke the property a plus b into a minus b, and this is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a, this is b. 1 square minus sine square a divided by cos a is nothing but, what is 1 square minus sine square a? That is equal to cos square a divided by cos a, and cos square a divided by cos a is nothing but cos a. So your answer should be option number D. Very good. Very, very good. Alright, how about question number 4? It's very easy. 1 plus, let me just erase first question now. So this can be written as 1 plus tan square a can be written as sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a can be written as cosec square a. Sec square a is nothing but 1 upon cos square a. Cosec square a is nothing but 1 upon sine square a. So what is sin square a by cos square a? That is tan square a. This is your answer, option number D. Yay, yes. Very good, guys, very good. Vyom, very good, very good, very nice, beautiful. Everybody is writing their answers now. Cool, cool. All right, now we will move to the question number 5th, and we will solve this question number 5 entirely in the next session, that is tomorrow, right? Meanwhile, in the chat box or in the comment box, please let me know whether you want me to solve exercise 8.3 or not. Also, we will be going to do exercise 8.4 tomorrow. I don't want to eat away your time. 8.4 will be done tomorrow, and we will look at each and every question tomorrow. So this question number 5 is very, very important, very, very important, especially the questions which are at the last. So we will do exercise 8.4 tomorrow, boys, tomorrow. What? No? Okay, acha, you don't want me to do exercise 8.3, right? Okay, yeah, understood. Okay, yes. So 8.4 we will do tomorrow, all right? Make sense? Everybody agree? Yes? Want me to do exercise 8.4 tomorrow? We'll do it tomorrow. Alright then, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching this session. I hope this session will be helpful for you, and I hope that you guys take the maximum benefit out of it. Let me know in the chat box how am I doing, how are we going ahead, whether these sessions are really helpful or not, whether we should continue with these sessions or we should stop altogether. Let me know in the chat box, give me the feedback. No, and thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.